How to use PLR products to earn money. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use PLRs to earn money. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to a PLR website, and some of the favorites that I have found on the internet include bigproductstore.com, plrassassin.com, and IDPLR. Now these three websites are pretty amazing and they're free as well, so you don't have to worry about finding your PLR products. Now, what is a PLR? So for those of you who don't know, basically PLR stands for product labeling rights, and basically these are free products that you can use to earn money. Now how you basically do that is by coming over to one of these websites. You can just simply sign up, or you can just go over to free products over here. As you can see, bigproductstore.com has free products, and if I come over here, we can see that these are some of the free products that are available as of right now, and these are all licensed and they are completely free. So these are basically ebooks that you can download and then copy and change it up. So how does that work? Is just simply pick out a topic. Let's just choose this one over here, 10 myths about losing weight. I think that's a pretty good ebook. I think that's a really interesting title. People would want to know about these myths, so simply just click on this one over here, and once it loads up, all you have to do is just simply download this product. Now when you download this product, all you have to do is just simply change it up. So as of right now, as you can see, it's telling me that this product is free. If you don't see a download button, you have to register for a free account. So I'm going to go ahead and register for a free account, and I want you guys to follow along with me in these steps. So click on register for a free account. And over here, all you have to do is on the sign up page, just simply enter in your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your address, city, zip codes, and all the other information it asks for. And then just simply click on I'm not a robot and just simply click on download now. Once you have done that, your ebook will be downloaded and you are ready to move on to the next step. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. So as you can see right now, my registration is completed. All I have to do now is just check my email for the instruction on how to activate your account. So I'm going to go ahead and check my email. If it works, I will catch you guys in a little bit. So as you can see over here, this is the email address that I got. Now all I have to do is just simply confirm my subscription, and it will take me over here where it will say that your subscription has been confirmed. Please check your email and return to Big Product Store. So I'm gonna go ahead and check my email real quick. Let me just refresh my email over here. As you can see, I haven't gotten any email as of right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and go over to Big Product Store and see what is up. So let me go over here on the free products and choose this product again, and I can't still see a download button. Maybe it's because I haven't activated my account yet, which is pretty weird because I haven't gotten it right here. Oh, I see. It's this one over here. We have to confirm this one. So let me just go ahead and click over here, and I missed that over here. Let me just enter in my email and my password that I saved. So now I have signed in, and this is it. This is my account, and I think it has been activated, and I'm in the members area right now. So let's just try this again and go over to the free product section and just simply choose the product that we want, and hopefully it will show the download button as like this one over here. So this is the download button. Simply click on this button and it will ask you to download the PDF. Simply download it, and once it's downloaded, just simply open it up, open the folder or the location where it is, and extract the information that is in there. And over here you will see these are some of the folders that are going to be inside the product. So this is the graphics pack. So over here you will have banner ads and stuff like that, and social reports as well. So you can use this graphic pack as a ad for your social media if you want to. And then you have this landing page. Basically this is going to be your landing page, and it will have images for your landing page and index files as well if you want to make any changes as well. And then you have lead magnets and lead audio as well. And then over here in emails, this is going to be your email that you will have. Basically these are some of the tips that you can send on to different emails. So basically this wasn't an ebook. That was my mistake. I didn't read carefully. This was basically an email and leads magnets product. So this is a pretty long version, so I'm going to go ahead and find an ebook that we can use. So I'm going to go ahead and choose another free product. So over here, let's just search for something that's pretty decent and pretty new. So I'm going to go over here on products and over here on ebooks, and then when I'm over here, let me just choose this one. So over here in the free product sections, let me just choose another product that I think we can use. So how to read your customer's mind better than Houdini. Let's use this one. So this is a description. Let's read this one description that this ebook has more details. So this is an ebook. This is the one that we're looking for. And down below, it has a description about this product. And in the additional information, you can see this is the product license and the sales page. It's not included with pages, so you'll have to deal with it. And let's just download this product and let's see how it is. So when I open this up, I'm going to extract the files inside this zip folder. And once it's done, let's just open it up. This is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your ebook over here. It is going to be in a PDF form. So as you can see, this is the product right here. Now, what I want you guys to do is just simply make some changes, tweak it up to make it your own. You simply can't just copy paste it because it doesn't work. It has to have a original element, a creative element in it to make this your own product. So what you can do is just go over to different websites in Google and change it up. But before that, let's check out the e-cover. So this is the e-cover that we can use to promote this product if you want. So let's just go ahead and copy some of the text over here. So I'm just going to simply copy this text over here. I'm not going to copy the whole thing because that will be pretty long, and just for the demo, just to give you guys an idea on how it works, let's just simply copy it up. And over here in Google, what I want you guys to do is just simply search for a paragraph changer or a tool. Now let's just search for a paragraph changer. So let's just choose paragraph rewriter. So I think this is it, an article rewriter tool. Let's just paste our content over here and enter in the captcha and just simply rewrite the text. So this is it. The text has been changed. So as you can see, this was the original text and this is the text right now. So all you have to do is just simply copy this text, go back to your PDF file. So open it up in Microsoft Word and just simply paste the same paragraph that you have copied, and then this product will be your own and it will have an original element into it. And then you can just simply save this product as a document and come over to Draft to Digital. Now Draft to Digital is an online store, so where you can just simply upload ebook, but it isn't free. So let me just go over here at the cost. So over here, as you can see, Draft to Digital will take 10% of the retail price of that book for that sale. So that means if your book sells for $100, which is a pretty big number, then Draft to Digital will take 10%. Basically they will take $10. So just simply click on get started. And over here, just simply enter in your email address and your password if you have an account. But if you don't have an account, you can just simply sign up. And to sign up, simply click on the sign up button over here. And once you click on it, this is how the website will look like. And over here, all you have to do is enter in your first name, last name, default pen user, which is optional. If you don't want to have a pen name, you don't have to, but basically a pen name is a writer's name. So if you have a cool writer's name, go ahead, no one's stopping you. And then down below, enter in your email address and then a password, and then just simply check this box. And if you want to receive some emails from this website, if you don't, leave it unchecked, and then just simply clear the reCAPTCHA and click on registration. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. Once you have logged in and signed up, this is how it looks like. And all you have to do is just simply click on add a new book. And over here, you'll have to create a new book project. And over here, just simply give the book a title, add a series if you want to, add a volume number, search term, the prioritize author names over here, and some filters or basic categories that you want to have. And then just simply click on start ebook. I'm going to enter in the names. So I don't have a series as of right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter it in education. I think that looks pretty cool. Or I'm just gonna go ahead and enter it in philosophies, and over here add aesthetics and click on start an ebook. Now as it says, you must select whether or not you wish to upload a cover art or not. So where is the cover art option? I don't see it. If you have a cover art, basically they will provide one, so just simply click on it. So over here, just simply go over to the download section over here, and you will see, and just go over to the place where you have your ebook. So this is over here, and I'm just simply going to click on this cover and open it up. So this is going to load up, wait for it to upload, and once it's uploaded, simply click on start ebook. So Once you have done that, just simply choose this option right here. I want to use my own ebook IBSN, and then just simply upload the file, or you can just upload your book file from over here by clicking on the browse button and choosing your book. And once you have done that, simply click on save and continue, and your book will be live and you can start earning money from PLR products. Now, this is the website that I use, but other websites such as PLR Assassin and ID PLR are pretty good as well. So if you want to go ahead and check them out as well, free to go ahead and do that as well. So that was it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.